While preparing our fish dish tonight, let's munch on chips. But not this. It's DIY, from scratch. Join me and let's explore how to make chips from macaroni. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. Hello, good evening. Welcome back to Channel 1. Thank you for joining me here tonight. I'm fancying chips, really, chips. I've got here several chips, or crisp, to our UK audience, crisp. I've got here several brands of chips, and my most precious, chicken skin, Chicharon, from my native Philippines. I won't eat this. I've been keeping this for a special occasion, but the occasion does not come, so I want to keep it further. I'm not going to eat this. Instead, since this is a DIY or self-sufficiency content, from plate to garden experience, or from garden to plate experience, pagsasariling sikap, I'll be making my own chips tonight. Yes, and it will be chicken flavor. I will synthesize chicken skin flavor, but I'll be using pasta instead. Tip number 1. Use the macaroni, the big macaroni, because it mimics the singaling that we have in Laguna, in one of the provinces south of the Philippines. They have this singaling. So what should we do with it? Very easy. Just boil pasta in the same manner as you would prepare your spaghetti. Since I want to give this chicken flavor to replicate the chicken crisps or chicken chips, I'll be adding here, instead of just salt, I'll be adding chicken bouillon. This is here. Yeah. I've got here in bouillon form, but I have also powder. I'll be using this instead. Of course, every time we cook pasta, we need oil to keep the pasta from sticking with one another. Don't do the same. It's now boiling, so we can add the pasta. Just follow what's in the packaging. I can barely read it. It's 8 to 10 minutes, it says here. 8 to 10 minutes. When cooking pasta, do you cover your cacerola? It's not necessary, is it? Just stir it a bit once it begins to boil, after 5 minutes and after 10 minutes. It's now cooked, so we can turn it off and strain it. Here we go. Just get rid of this. Oh, it's really hot. Yeah, close up. Yeah. Let's just allow the water, most of it, or all of it, to just drip while we prepare this. To line my baking tray. It's been snowing for 3 days, so I've got no sun to dry this under. So I'm using the oven to dry this. 50 degrees Celsius fan for at least 3 hours. If you're lucky, and if you are in a sunny area, just dry it under the sun for a day. So it's now dry. And I'm gonna spread this here. You spread it well. And into the oven. I think you're wondering why did I line the tray with a tea towel. First, that is to prevent the pasta from sticking into the tray, and the cloth, its fibers also dissipate the fluid. It promotes evaporation faster. Pabilo. A week before, instead of using cotton kitchen towel, I used paper kitchen towel, and the result is it's very difficult to remove them from the paper. Imagine that. The paper comes along and I have to one by one clean the pasta, remove the paper that's stuck to the pasta. Yeah, really tedious. While tonight's batch is frying, I can fry this, what I prepared earlier. This is what happens if the oil is too hot. Let's try it again. The oil is still too hot. I think it's the pan. Too hot. It's too hot. Look, one has been burnt. See that? Again. This is better. Yeah, we have to do it again. The fire is just too high. This is what we did the earlier batch last week. This is rather too cold. I miss the sudden puffing of the chips. The quick puffing is more exciting, but this is more appealing to the eye. Let's do it again. This is really slow, but safe. Yeah. This is acceptable. Yeah. It's cooked anyway. And let's quickly prepare our hot vinegar dipping sauce. Yeah.
Kailan di pa maraming natin eh, right?
Hello, welcome to day 2. It's been in the oven for 3 hours. I left it to cool down overnight, and this is what we have. Look. See, it's easier to remove. So, I'll be saving this. I'll be putting this away, and for the next weeks, anytime I'll be fancying chips or crisps, I just fry them. Why buy chips if you could make your own? Thank you for joining me here today, so we can make chips our own. Anytime we fancy chips, just fry them. Until next time, if you enjoyed this video and if you found the instructional value, don't forget to subscribe, activate the notification bell so that you'll be notified of every upload. Gardening oriented videos every Wednesday and kitchen videos every Friday. Until next time, see you in the next video.